Today, our home is not protected from theft. Also, you may not be satisfied with the current security measures. But do you want to improve your home security? Hi, I am Anubhav. We brought a new, first of its kind security system which is different from all, and more effective than other security products. It only cost you one time but will last long for years. As we have seen, thieves intrude into house only through doors, because it is tough for them to cut the iron bars in windows or breaking a hole through the wall. That is why we have created security system Kavach. In this we have used latest IoT technology, as used by billionaires in their houses. First part of Kavach system is Dwarpal. Dwarpal can be easily installed on outside wall of house on every door, and will catch any movement after sunset. It charges by solar power, thus no external power or wire fitting is required. Its partner is Darban. While keeping in radio contact with the Dwarpal, Darban can be installed on any wall inside the home. Darban needs charging in months via USB mobile charger. As soon Dwarpal catches any movement, Darban will alert you via sound alarm or SMS. Advantage of using Kavach system is in saving your money, because there is no need of additional wire fitting and no monthly internet bill, as it happens with other security products. Kavach is better than CCTV, because CCTV does not stop or prevent theft, but only records it. But Kavach system is proactive in alerting you before the intrusion occurs. That is why, even if you are alone in home, you can sleep in peace. Till today, your home security may have been compromised, but you deserve more. Thus, share this video with your family and friends on WhatsApp, and take their suggestions. Do not fall behind in protecting your home, and get more info about Kavach by giving a missed call on this number. First 50 friends will get 50% off on next SMS alert device upgrade. After installing this SMS device, you can even leave your home alone and go to attend important events like marriage, parties with your whole family. That is why always remember, when your security is defected, Kavach will keep you protected.